a new tool was released to a handful of waitlisters, including Malik Lombion, that would change the landscape of creativity forever. DALL-E 2.
When DALL-E 2 came out and I saw what it was capable of doing, I was like, wow, you can literally create some beautiful artwork, some beautiful images with just a sentence, with just some text. So I was like, yo, if this is what we can do right now, this is the worst it's ever going to be. So can you imagine what is going to be in like 2 years, 3 years? I made it a mission to stay updated in what AI can do.
Do you remember like the first prompt you put in?
It was probably something basic, like a picture of a cat, like the classic. Yeah.
Totally.
I think that was it. Yeah.
But Malik instinctively knew there was so much more to be explored than cat pics. If he wanted to get the most out of this brand new tool, he would need an expert.
Yeah, his name is Manuel Saint-Cyr. He's a creator from Guadeloupe, and we both live in Montreal. We knew that we wanted to collaborate together on something. We just didn't know what. I knew that he was kind of an expert in AI. So I was like, okay, let's put our expertise together. And so we just decided to set one day that I would come over to his place and try and fail and make and break some videos and be creative with AI.
So Malik captured some stunning video of the city of Montreal and went to Manuel's place to see what they could come up with. He took the footage he had captured and created a hyperlapse.
We basically spent like 24 hours, no sleep, scene by scene. I'm editing a scene, the rotation, the zoom in, the transition. And I'm sure that this scene is pretty much picture locked.
Then he and Manuel brought in a new collaborator, this time non-human. They started experimenting with DALL-E, but DALL-E was for images only. To work with video, they would have to modify each and every individual frame. So at 24 frames per second, that's 24 images for every second of video that he wants to bring into DALL-E.
I take these images and I upload them one by one into DALL-E.
In DALL-E 2, one of the incredible features was that you could select a small area of an image that you uploaded, then regenerate only that portion of the image.
I select my area that I want to modify, and I type the prompt and I export that. Sometimes the immediate result that you get is not that good, and I had to really iterate. Sometimes working on 1 second of video could take me like 2 hours. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that was a long, tedious process.
Footage of objects like church steeples or the banner on an ice cream shop transformed into new surreal images in every frame as the camera panned around them. Through Malik and Manuel's tedious experimentation, they created a brand new style of video editing, Hyperlapse X AI. It became a tool set that Malik would utilize to show what was possible when AI tools amplified human creativity.